Hi everybody, it's Renee from Carnivore. I'm getting ready to put together a meatloaf. These are the 3 different types of meat that I use. I add a couple of eggs to that, how many ever you feel like you want, 2 to 4 eggs, based on a pound or a pound and a half of meat. So let's get started with this one. So I got 3/4 of a pound of the 75-25 beef burgers, okay? Now don't worry, just because they're in a burger, you can still break it up and grind it up and mix it around here with the turkey and there's a half a pound of turkey and a 1/4 pound of the pork sausage, okay? And then if you want to, now this is optional, you can put your eggs in there. You could put 2 eggs in there or don't put any eggs at all. And that includes seasoning. If you don't want to put seasoning in it, don't put any seasoning. This is all you need, is just the meat. You mix it thoroughly together with your hand or your spoon or however you want to do it, and then you're going to shape it and then put it in the oven. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you mix it with your hand, okay? You just mix it all up thoroughly and it's real soft, so don't worry about it because, it's thawed out and the burgers were just shaped into burger patties, so you don't have to worry about that. You just mix it all together, and like I said, if you want to add an egg or 2 to up the protein, you can, or you can just completely eliminate it. You can add seasoning if you'd like to, or you don't have to add any. I said just make it how you would like. So this is just the 3 meats together, okay? Okay, so there's your mixture. You shaped it into a ball. You put it into an oven acceptable baking dish, and then you can cover it with foil and bake it for about, like I said, 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Look how beautiful this looks, folks. Enjoy.